Let us see compound gear train. What is compound gear train? When there is more than one gear mounted on a shaft. When there is more than one gear. When there is more than one gear is mounted on a shaft. More than one gear mounted on a shaft. Then the gear train is known as compound gear train. Let us see diagram. So this is a driver gear and this is the driven gear of this driver gear. Now second gear is mounted on same shaft, and this is a driven gear. Now this is gear 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So there are 3 shafts and the gears are 4. This is the first simple gear train. This is a driver shaft. This is a driven shaft. Now on the same shaft, this gear is mounted on the same shaft. So, another view of the gear train is like this, and this is a driven shaft of gear 4. Now this is gear 1, this is gear 2, gear 3, gear 4. So these 2 gears are mounted on same shaft, therefore this gear train is known as compound gear train. Now what is the speed ratio or velocity ratio of this gear train? So let N1 is the speed of this gear 1, N2 is the speed of gear 2, N3 is the speed of gear 3, and N4 is speed of gear 4. Now T1 is teeth on gear 1, T2 teeth on gear 2, T3 teeth on gear 3, and T4 teeth on gear 4. Now what is speed ratio? Speed ratio G is the ratio of speed of driver to the speed of driven. Speed of driver gear to the speed of driven gear. Now velocity ratio for these 2 gears is N1 divided by N2 is equal to T2 divided by T1. Velocity ratio for these 2 gears is N3 divided by N4 is equal to T4 divided by T3 is the second equation. Now I require the velocity ratio or speed ratio of this whole compound gear train. Multiply N1 divided by N2 into N3 divided by N4 is equal to T2 divided by T1 into T4 divided by T3. Now speed of these 2 gears is same, therefore N2 is equal to N3. So these 2 cancel. N1 divided by N4 is equal to T2 into T4 divided by T1 into T3 is the speed ratio for compound gear train. So speed ratio N1, speed of driver, N1 is a driver and 4 is a driven gear. So N1 divided by N4 is equal to T2 into T4 divided by T1 into T3. So this is the compound gear train, and this gear train is used where large speed ratio is required. Large speed ratio is required, then this compound gear train is used.